top 10 richest women in the world. Well, there aren't any women on the list of the top 10 richest people in the world, but there is no denying that there are some women that are making huge fortunes all over the world. Well, the number of women billionaires is on the rise, and here is the account of top 10 richest women in the world according to Forbes Real-Time Billionaires list that came out on December 22nd. Well, before we get into the video, make sure you watch the video till the very end, as I will be revealing some exciting secrets about these billionaire women. So let's get into it. At number 10, we have Zhong Huizhan. Zhong Huizhan is the 10th richest woman on the earth and is a chairperson of the drug maker Hansen Pharmaceuticals. She has an estimated net worth of $19.6 billion. At number 9, we have Fang Huanghua and family. With an estimated net worth of $20 billion, Fan stands 9th on the list of the richest women in the world. She is the chairperson of the largest chemical fibers maker in China, Hengli Petrochemicals. The 8th position among the world's richest women goes to Laurel Powell Jobs, with her net worth estimated at $22.5 billion. She's inherited $21.6 billion from the stakes in Apple and Disney that her deceased husband, Steve Jobs, passed on to her. She is the 67th richest person today. She focuses on education, environment, and immigration issues, and she has invested in a make school, an electric scooter startup, and a coding school. Isn't that great? At number 7, we have Suzanne Clatton. Owning 19.2% of the automotive giant BMW, Suzanne Clatton is the 7th richest woman and is the 56th richest person in the world. She is the sole owner and deputy chairman of Atlanta, a prominent pharmaceuticals and chemical company. Her net worth is at a whopping $26.3 billion. At number 6, we have Jacqueline Maz. With a net worth of about $28.9 billion, Jacqueline Maz is the 6th wealthiest woman in the world. She owns an estimated 1/3 of the world's largest candy maker, Mars, which was founded by her grandfather. She worked for the company for nearly 20 years and has served on the board until 2016. Well, who doesn't love Mars, am I right? At number 5, we have Yang Huiyan and family. Yang owns 56% of stake in the company Garden Holdings, a highly popular real estate concern. Yang graduated from Ohio State University and her net worth is $29.6 billion. She's the 5th richest woman in the world today. At number 4, we have Julia Cooch and family. With a net worth of $44.9 billion, she is a new addition to the list this year. Julia Cooch made it to the billionaires list at the 4th spot after she and her 3 children inherited a 42% stake in Cooch Industries from her husband David, who died in the August of 2019 at age 97. Originally from Iowa, Cooch moved to New York in 1980s and she has worked as an assistant to fashion designer Adolfo. At number 3, we have Mackenzie Scott, award-winning author and the ex-wife of Amazon founder Jeff Bezos. Mackenzie Scott made it to the billionaires list in 2020 with a net worth of $56.3 billion. Can you imagine that? She was married to Jeff Bezos for 25 years and they divorced in mid-2019. As a part of the divorce settlement, Jeff transferred 25% of his Amazon stake to Mackenzie, which was 4% of the company. Now, she ranks 20th on the world's wealthiest list. At number 2, we have Alice Walton. The second slot on the top 10 richest women in the world is claimed by Alice Walton, the only daughter of Sam Walton, the founder of Walmart. Her net worth is about $67.6 billion and she's more focused on curating art, and she has a personal art collection that is worth hundreds of millions of dollars. She holds the 15th position among the billionaires this year. And finally, at number 1, we have Francois Bettencourt Myers. With her net worth estimated at $72.7 billion, Francois is the wealthiest woman on earth. Her family owns 33% of the L'Oreal stock, which reported a phenomenal growth over the past decade. She has been on the board of company since 1997, and today she is the chairperson of this makeup firm. Bettencourt Meyers occupies the 13th position among the richest people in the world. Well, just like that, guys, we've come to the very end of the video. If you want more interesting videos, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.